welcome. My name's Talon and I'm the co-founder of ProductivityMe. In this video, we're going to look at the print preview window or the print preview function within Microsoft Excel. We'll specifically look at the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl F2. Pressing the Ctrl F2 function key will bring up the print preview menu. So with that, let's get started. Now, in Office 2010 and 2013, there has been a slight change in the way that the file menu is set up, more specifically how it works when we get to the print preview function. So it used to be that when you would press Ctrl P, you would get a print menu that was different than when you pressed Ctrl F2, which is the print preview function. In Excel 2010-2013, these menus look the same. In older versions of Excel, when you pressed Ctrl P, you might get this menu, such as in 2007, you would have the choice of print, quick print, or print preview. Each of these choices would bring up a different menu. However, in Excel 2013, there is no such difference. So when we press Ctrl P, like we learned in the last video, it would bring up this individual menu. So Ctrl P brings up the print menu, which we have on the left, and then a print preview, which we have on the right. If we want to use a specific keyboard shortcut for the print preview, we could achieve this by pressing the Control key and the F2 function key. Pressing the Control key and the F2 function key will bring up this menu. And again, if we had multiple pages, we could scroll through these individual choices. So let's look at an example that might have multiple pages to print. I'm just going to copy this over here so that it has multiple pages. I'm going to press the Control key and the F2 function key. And you'll notice here on our print preview, it will tell you what our current page is and how many pages would be printed in total. So this is page 1 of 3. We have page 2 of 3 or 3 of 3. We can actually double click in here and highlight the text and then say go to page 1 of 3. And then when we press enter, we'll automatically have a preview of that. We could press page 2 of 3, 3 of 3, so on and so forth. This can be really useful if you have several pages. So if you had say like maybe 6 or 10 pages and you were to go to Control P or Control F1, other than that I mean Control F2, we get this print preview and we now have 6 pages. We could say go to page 5 and see what that looks like. So if you did not know how to achieve this keyboard shortcut, if you forgot, or perhaps you're like me and you were completely unaware of the keyboard shortcut Control F2, you can actually achieve this by coming to the file menu, clicking on the file menu, and then going to the print function. It would bring up this print menu, which would include a print preview. If you wanted to do this with your access keys, you would press the Alt key, the F key, and the P key, and again, you would have this individual menu. If you wanted to scroll between individual pages, you could say press the key F, which would go to the next, or T would be the previous. So with that, in this video, we looked at 3 ways to get to a print preview function, that of Control F2, that of pressing the file menu, clicking print, or using the Alt key, the F key, and the P key. In Excel 2013, this would be similar to just pressing Control P, but in older versions of Excel, there may be a difference between Control P and Control F2. With that in mind, in our next video, we'll look at how to restore down maximized windows so that it is no longer this full width of the screen. So check that out in our next video, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers. Thanks for watching.